Now, I find this video very disturbing. Nakakaloko, no? And nakuha ko lang to, nakita ko lang to kay Popular Machines. And ginagawa niya is naglalagay siya ng arena or baking powder. Ginagamit niya pampadulas ng screen or probably siguro pawisin ng kanyang kamay para hindi magkaroon ng friction between yung kanyang daliri and yung screen. Now, honestly, I'm not sure if you're just simply trying to test yung kanyang IP60 na dust and water resistant dust, no? And it's medyo intense naman siya. Honestly, there's something called the finger sleeve na pwede mong gamitin pang laro ng games, no? Dahil ng mga shooting games like that, Call of Duty, Delta Force, no? Hindi mo naman kailangan gawing ganon ang iyong smartphone na bubudburin mo ng baking powder or whatever powder that is na might do some harm sa inyong smartphone, no? Lalo sa mga butas, sa ilalim sa charging port or sa speaker grills, it might damage your phone. So, just a word of warning, this is really a crazy method, but please, just buy a finger sleeve na lang just for your own protection. You can check it sa aking yellow basket na lang, guys.